What's good, it's poppin' YouTube family? We back with another reaction video. We got Phillyonmars with the cancellation. My life is Inukai-san's dog. I've seen something about this and I was just like, not watching it. I'm good on that. Like I'm real good on that. Like I'm good on that. I don't want to look at that because it looks crazy. The scene I seen just looks crazy. He probably gonna put it in. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is if it is put in there. But it just looks insane. And whoever came up with the idea for the show, you need to go under the prison. Simple. Philly channel gonna be linked down below. Alondra's in the video. Make sure you go show us a little, hit the sub button, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be being crazy every time I ask you, so I feel I mess with y'all. No real spill, real deal Holyfield, you feel me? But you know we gotta hit the lights. Now I don't know what my straw it is, so boom, we rocking the, you feel me? I know y'all feel me, yeah. I look like that. Yeah, nah, let me stop though. Turn me up, Phil. Call that boy Phil, I'm crazy.
Okay, so basically, it has been brought to my attention that there is a show worthy of cancellation. The show in question is My Life as Inukai-san, but minus the Sanat, Ad-san's dog. Yo! Now, being someone's dog is pretty normal, right, little baby?
That is my dog.
No. That's my dog.
But somehow, someway, a male high school student awakens freezing on the street with no memory of how he got there. Sounds wholesome. Let's get it. Oh gosh,
right.
I'm waking up. And it's raining. Ooh, what the helium? Who is this bitch? You're gonna be mine. Now we're still walking through the rain. Wait a minute, are those
like, who are we? Them, yeah.
Shawty name is Karen.
Oh, yes, sweetie, your bath is ready. Oh, hello, random stray puppy that I'm somehow letting my daughter keep.
Right.
Wait, hold on, why am I in the bathroom?
My mom was booted at.
Yo.
Hey,
Did this
yo.
man just pick me up? Wait, I'm a dog.
Hey.
Wait, what is this on my crack? Stop that! Give me 1 sec. Wait, hold on. Why are we in the bath? And why is Shawty looking at me like I'm that kid in class with gum? Oh my gosh, you're
right.
so cute. Yeah. What is this animation? Come here. What the skedaddle? Hear ye. Now that the intro's over and we see what this show has to offer, my first question that needs to be answered is why was Shawty deep-throating a dog nose? Now, as someone who likes to play good cop, bad cop in the bedroom, I don't tend to kink shame. But what the skedaddle?
I do.
Who pays with their pet? And 3,
exactly.
How do you make this and when are we gonna raid them? But speaking of raid, what if Raid Shadow Legends sponsored this video? Well, then you'd probably hear about their awesome collection of over 700 unique champions, a super detailed tactical RPG battle system, incredible graphics, and an intense combination of PvE and PvP content. Ever since I was a little Jittington, I've been waiting for the opportunity to say this video is sponsored by
Raid Shadow Legends. Wait till I get mine, boy, it's gonna be crazy.
First up, we got Lady Kim. Not only is her swag and her battle scar giving, she handles this nice long sword. But I mean,
look at the
swag. We got Manaya. Like, look at the fashion detail. Cleopatra just hits home, and Hellborn's sprite is fire. Literally. But wait, what's going on an egg hunt? But we're not hunting for normal eggs. We're hunting for dragon eggs. Just head over to this right here. From April 14th to May 15th, you'll have the chance to be able to win amazing in-game items and even real-life prizes, such as Amazon gift cards with a total value of $20,000. So with all this exciting stuff,
I do be on there. None of them. God.
Yet, then what are you waiting for? For new players, use my link or scan the
QR code
right here and get a free starter pack. Anyways, how is doing a dog? Give me your hand. Oh man. Before I was a doggington, this shawty was just nothing but a crush for me. I never thought I'd ever be holding her hand. Yeah, that wasn't enough context, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that bro was here because of
Truck Coon for sure. Boom! Trey, move, bro.
Oh my gosh, cute dog. Get the step in, Pochita. Wait. Did shawty just say Pochita?
Pochita.
Weave. Oh no, where am I at? Are you okay?
Oh my.
Wait a minute, your nose is a little bit red. Why is Shawty looking both ways? I guess you lick boo-boos, huh? Wait, what? Wait, hey, yo!
Bruh. Yo.
As you see here, I'm having a moment with my dog. How about
Hey,
you
yo.
step it? I never want to see your balls in my face again. You hear me?
Hey, yo.
Peter, please help. You see, this is
Peter.
what I mean. There's no way that Shawty was about to do it again. And in public.
I hope she
At least
wasn't.
She learned a lesson from being weird. Hey, not gonna lie, I got a tinkle winkle. Oh my gosh, do you have to pee? Go ahead. Hey, yo, why Shawty watching me take a Wiz Khalifa? Why is she recording?
She's weird.
What do? You know what? I get it. Sometimes in life there are special nutcases of just strange individuals. Good thing it's just her. Oh, great, they done added DLC content.
Oh,
You're
man.
just studying. I take that back, my bad.
Are you Karen? Can I borrow you for a second?
Be right back. Oh, snap.
It's finna get crazy, ain't
Barking
it?
noises, barking noises. Oh, this bitch scared. Hey, yo, is that a centipede? Yo, Ben, I'm trying to communicate with you. Barking noises, barking noises.
Barking
No
noises.
way. Hey, do you understand me? I'm leaving. Oh, no, the centipede. Let me go get it. Hey, yo.
Hey, dang, launched the dog, ain't it?
Now all of a sudden I'm looking at her scar feeling sympathy, even though she just yeeted me across the room.
Right.
I'm walking towards her like a Michael Myers. Can you back up? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are we looking at?
What are we looking at? Yeah. Not the flight.
Stop. Stop.
Pissed. Pissed.
That's not what it looks like. Oh no, I'm screwed. Literally. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to step right back in.
That's
There's
different.
absolutely no way that she sacrificed
different.
her toe on the corner of a wall to do
That's
this.
different.
Come here, boy. I know you be looking scars, right?
That's
Wait, what?
different.
What'd you do to my dog, boy? Nothing. All he did was
Boy.
What? How dare you? Where's the loyalty in this world? You traitor! I know what I must do. Come here! No, I know I said before that they added DLC content, but wait till you see the new Battle Pass skin!
Oh
That,
my
without
god.
a doubt, is more terrifying than a John Wick skin in 2017!
Karen, what the fuck are you doing?
But wait, hold on. This may be episode 4, but we have yet to figure out the plot.
4?
So let's get to it. Not that! Alrighty, I'm a dog scrolling through Amazon somehow. Boom, here's the item that I want. Add
Somehow.
to cart. The next
That's
day.
insane.
What is you doing with my dog? Hey, yo! Hey, friend, this
Amazon.
guy's at the door. He says he has a package for you.
That is
Get out
insane.
of here. Come back! Bro, it's not Mario.
Weave. Yeah. It's insane.
Now I'm gonna keep it a whole being dizzily. I watched this show specifically with my good brother in Christ, CJ the Champ. And I'm also keep it real. This is exactly where we stopped watching. Why, you might ask?
I'm out of town, thugging with my round.
Shawty was hitting the honor special. Bad
That's-
respect for you guys and not for myself. I'll watch the rest.
Yeah. I can feel your pain, bro.
I kind of just figured out that this is his sister, and like, you know, this whole time he's been shadowing her under her dress. Hey man, who's ready for some plot? Not that! What the? Oh no, I'm screwed! Excuse me, ma'am, you know this is my dog, right?
And I'm gonna keep it a whole being dizzily. I know this because he specifically has 19,016,238 hairs on his furry little cute body.
How
Not
do
to
you
mention
know?
the 11,032,925 which are brown hairs. And did I
What?
forget that his tongue is 6.2 millimeters long?
Wow.
Don't ask me why I know that either. Also, when you deep throw his nose, his tail moves
Huh?
a wax per second.
Yeah, you freaky bit. Let's just play the ultimate game to see who he really likes.
The sniffer choose a cooch game.
Here it
I
goes.
never thought I'd see
Yeah,
something so
here it goes.
outlandish. It's the
Here
fact
it
that there is
goes.
a group of grown men in
Here it
Japan who
goes.
thought about this. The only time I thought about anything relatively close to something like this was after I watched the Nicki Minaj Princess Diana Ice Spice remix music video. Hear me out.
Yeah.
They're doing this
Hear
with
me
the
out,
dog.
yeah.
And then it got to the point where they started adding strategy to it. Yo, but that is a
Like,
dog. Can't forget
this
about
is-
the totally
this is what I
different
seen.
fight. But wait, more plot. He went into the wrong girl's crotch. Boom. Ha ha ha, get wrecked. Oh, you cheater! I know, that's just the new bone toy. Give me him. No, I
What?
promise. It was made by the people who made the world. So you already know, after that, somehow, some way, she sneaks my mans into the school, and now he's in a bunch of her classmates' eats. Then dies. But W-Riz. Wait, pause.
What
Wait,
is
I feel
going?
something.
Are you serious, boy? You just
Boy.
gonna touch you like that? I thought we had a thing.
Oh no.
He's dead.
But with all that being said, it was finally time for this girl to meet her match. Welcome in. Oh, you guys are still open, I see. You guys are giving dog baths, right? What? What would you like to order? Okay, I'll take a nice warm coffee, heavy on the sugar and the cream. Now get to licking. Wait, what? Hold on, did she just push the table? Come on, get that tongue moving, boy. Here's your order of coffee, ma'am. Oh, thanks.
What is going on?
But can I ask you one
What is going on?
question? Just a hypothetical, of course. What if your dog was actually a human? Wait, what? That's not possible. I mean, anything is possible.
What is going on?
If your dog was human, you would hate him, wouldn't you? You freaky bit. Yo, she's cooking her. I can't let this happen. I'ma show her up. Oh, yeah, bit heady like this. Why is she reacting? I must go harder. Bro, what is going on? Get back to the video.
What is? No. Explain what's going
I
on.
understand now. I'll see you soon. For both of you, of course.
What is going on?
Oh, I see you found me. I mean, it only took you 5,113,926 seconds to get here. Wait a minute, I know this bitch. She's the girl who's studying Rizology. Wait, Shawty had cameras? What the fuck? So you want to know how you can become human again? First, use this. Now, how would you like to be my little Valentine? Oh, no, wait, you can hear me through the ball guard? Now, peep this. This you? Oh, shoot. No, not me. How about this? No. Right.
Why?
That's Photoshop. Outside camera. Is you the fans? You're a little freaky one, eh? Always getting into stuff, huh? Dude. You don't have to be embarrassed. That's just the way you are. You're a horn dog. Literally.
Her face phone.
If you want to become human again, you'll have to kiss her. How? Just like this. Explode like nice wet mouth to her. And then you become human again. So are you gonna do
I'm not
it?
watching this, yo.
I'm Inukai's dog, and I'm gonna stay a dog. You know why?
Oh no.
I'm the biggest dog. I'm the biggest dog. I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing for that, bro. I got nothing for that, bro. I don't got nothing for that, bro. I don't got nothing for that, bro. Cause what is actually happening? What was actually happening, bro? Please, what was actually happening? Cause who sat there, wrote that, approved it, looked at it and was like, that's gonna be a banger. They looked at it and was like, yo, that is gonna be a banger of a series. I just don't understand. And then, so I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. These shows are getting weird. They're getting weird. Like, they're getting completely, utterly out of control. And Philly channel gonna be linked down below on Launders in the video. Make sure you go show us a little, hit the sub, but somebody let me know what's going on here, cause I'm not watching that at all.